Hello. Today I will show you a creative and simple way to test a rough diamond quickly using only a SIM card. Yes, a tiny foam card, but it can reveal the truth about a stone, especially a real diamond. A diamond is the hardest natural mineral on Earth, which means it can easily scratch glass and metals, while a SIM card is made of plastic with a very thin metallic layer, and it is relatively weak. So, if the diamond is able to scratch the card, this is a strong indication that the stone is genuine. To perform the test correctly, place the rough diamond on a stable and safe surface, then hold the SIM card between your fingers and gently move it against a sharp edge of the stone, making sure not to press too hard so you do not damage the card unnecessarily. Now let's move to the practical test. Watch how the diamond easily scratches the thin metal layer on the card, while the plastic itself remains almost intact. This confirms that the stone in front of us is a real diamond. This method is very simple and anyone can try it at home, but it should only be used as a preliminary test, so if you want absolute certainty, a professional examination by a specialist is still essential. In conclusion, a small SIM card can be a quick and effective tool for testing rough diamonds, and the great thing is that all of this can be done with very simple tools, without the need for expensive equipment, making this method fun and easy for any hobbyist or gemstone enthusiast. Try it yourself and see the results immediately. You may be surprised by how effective this method can be in identifying a real diamond.